Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are cooking, we're making some mashed potatoes and some beef, so come with me. First we're going to require our raw ingredients, our bananas, our potatoes, and they look so fresh. I have already finished peeling my bananas together with the potatoes and they are ready to go. Yeah, let's boil them and then mash. We're going to boil our meat. I learned this very interesting trick from my mom-in-law, mom-in-law, that when you put pineapple in your meat, it tenderizes the meat. And I've done it a couple of times and it works wonders. Yeah, it works wonders. And what's funny is that you don't actually need a lot of pineapple. You only need a small piece of it. Not so much, because I don't want my stew to be too sweet. You boil your meat with pineapple and you're going to love it. Yeah? It's going to be so tender. It's going to be so good. You're gonna love it, I'm telling you. You will absolutely love it. I cannot emphasize enough. Yeah, let's take this to the gas. Let us check on the progress of our meat. You see it's boiling. Sauti out of the window. It's boiling so well. What about our plantain, our bananas? Yeah, they're still boiling. I'm just going to steep my cabbage real quick. Just some onions and nothing much. And the aroma in this room is just so insane, especially because of the pineapple. Oh, it smells so good. It's time to kaanga our nyama since we've already boiled it. So I'm putting in my onion and my garlic. The mashed potatoes are ready. So I'm just going to turn this off. Okay. I have already added my bell pepper and beef. As you can see, the pineapples are still there. You don't have to remove them after you boil the meat. These onions are for putting into the mashed potatoes after mashing them. They give the potatoes a really nice flavor. Now we are down to the mashing part. Na kubonda hizi vitu unahitaji nguvu. Unahitaji nguvu. Your shoulder needs to be strong, yo. You need strength. But still we keep on pushing. Ama ni aje? So our food is ready. Our bananas are over here, they're ready. Our plantain, mashed plantain and potatoes, they're ready. The cabbage is ready, and as you can see, the beef is also ready. Mbona watoto wa siku hizi by the way ukata nyama na vile sisi tulikuanga diehards wa nyama. Anyway, this is the final result. You can see that the pineapples are still here. These ones that I put in the meat. This is going to be so yummy.